Bookkeeping is often treated as simple data entry, but there is a massive gap between logging receipts and having actual financial intelligence. You might look at your top-line sales and think your business is highly profitable, yet at the end of the month, cash flow is inexplicably tight, and the mere thought of tax season brings a knot to your stomach. When your QuickBooks is a tangled web of uncategorized expenses and outdated balances, you are making critical business decisions based on obsolete or entirely false metrics. You are flying blind. That chaos is a systemic failure. It actively drains cash from your business, dollar by dollar, without you even realizing the leak exists. Before we diagnose exactly where your profit is leaking, let's establish a baseline of your current financial system. Take an honest look at your QuickBooks file right now. Would you categorize it as A, up to date because you're a pro, B, messy, needing a weekend to fix, or C, a complete disaster? Pick your letter and drop it in the comments below. Confronting your current level of chaos is the mandatory first step to taking back control of your numbers. Let's open up your profit and loss statement and locate the daily errors that are quietly eroding your margins. First, you must look for the uncategorized abyss. This happens when you leave expenses vaguely defined or dump them into a catch-all account labeled Ask My Accountant. This chart shows what happens to a healthy profit margin when vague dollars pile up. Every unhoused dollar is a hidden cost, eating your take-home pay. Then, the reconciliation gap. If bank balances don't match statements for months, your financial data is completely obsolete. Real-time accuracy is the absolute baseline requirement to protect and manage your cash flow effectively. The profit and loss statement only tells half the story. We need to audit your balance sheet to find the deeper structural issues. Look closely at your accounts. Accounts receivable from 3 years ago? Negative balances in your liability accounts? These are ghost balances. Look at this balance scale representing your company's value. These ghost accounts artificially distort your net worth, creating dangerous false confidence. That distortion leads directly to spreadsheet hell. You constantly export QuickBooks data into Excel just to run manual calculations and piece together the math. A functional accounting system provides actionable answers natively. You should be able to get the exact truth in a single click, with zero workarounds. Relying on external spreadsheets to decode your internal data proves your system is failing. You cannot safely scale a business on a broken foundation. These daily data decays and structural ghosts will eventually compound into one highly stressful consequence: the dread of tax season. When the end of the year feels like a fire drill, you are scrambling to piece together 12 months of missing data. That rush creates a severe risk of missing crucial deductions and overpaying the IRS. Imagine closing out every single month with clean, tax-ready financials. No surprises, no scrambling. Getting there requires a specific process. Get your phone ready and take a screenshot of this 10-point QuickBooks cleanup checklist right now. This is your exact blueprint for fixing the system. Proactive cleanup replaces the chronic fear of an audit with the confidence of permanent tax readiness. That checklist is highly effective, but executing it flawlessly requires hours of forensic accounting, hours that a busy owner simply doesn't have. The alternative is delegating that chaos to Platinum Pro advisors who specialize in turning a disorganized system into a weapon for growth. At GBC Books, we believe in complete transparency. Our tiered pricing scales exactly with your business revenue, from startup to enterprise. This is a fully done-for-you bookkeeping model. It guarantees clean books and zero hidden fees, allowing you to reclaim your valuable time. Don't wait for an audit to fix your books. Right now, text 813-462-2758 to get a precise cleanup quote. Permanently handing over the numbers is the smartest strategic move you can make to stop the profit leaks. Focus purely on explosive